Kim?
Ikaw si Ninja Boy? Isang beses, dalawang beses kitang tinanong.
No. It was 3 times.
3 beses ka nagsinungaling sa akin.
Kim, I lied to protect you.
Protect me? Bakit ano ako bata?
Just look at where we are now. Kim, look at what happened to you nung nalaman mo yung totoo. Akala ko hindi ka nagigising.